Hi, I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. I'm Jennifer, Quick, Fast, Easy Meals. This is baked beans with little smokies. Now, I use Bush's baked beans. You can make them from scratch. Use your own favorite recipe for baked beans, but try adding some little smokies to the recipe. I'm sure your guests will really love it. A lot of cookouts coming up really soon. So, if you want to see how I made this delicious recipe and my trick to my baked beans, what makes them outstanding, keep watching. Here's the ingredients for baked beans with little smokies. I'm going to use a tin baking dish today. I'm going to spray that with some nonstick cooking spray. We do white sugar and brown sugar. I'm going to use a half a cup of each. Test it and taste it for how sweet you like it. My mother-in-law, rest in peace, did not like sweet baked beans. My husband and I, they have to have some sort of sugar in there. We like them pretty sweet. I'm going to use the Bush's original. You know, they have 10, 12 different types. I'm just using the original. You can get the hickory, whatever your family likes, or make them homemade. Use some ketchup, some mustard, some bell pepper. And as you see, that's about 2 tablespoons at best of bell pepper. And I got some little smokies here. To take it to the next level, you can saute the smokies separately in a skillet before adding them to the baked beans, but they're already cooked and ready to eat. So I'm going to skip that step. I'm going to get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the little smokies a little bit more than in half. I'll cut them into 4 pieces because you don't want to get a spoonful of baked beans and have a whole smoky on your spoon or fork. So just cutting these up. And use as many as you like. I'm not trying to have it packed with little smokies, just little sneaky little bites every time you get a scoop of baked beans. Sometimes you get a smoky, sometimes you don't, so you can guesstimate. Some people add ground beef. My husband likes it with ground beef. This will be the first time I'm doing it with little smokies. So I'm just gonna get these all cut up. Okay, I'm gonna spray this with some non-stick cooking spray. Got my little smokies cut up. That was about 1/3 of a pack that I had left. Now, normally I drain off a lot of the liquid, but this time I'm not going to. Just going to add Bush's, the whole can. And I've been making these for about 30 years for my husband, so I know that size pan will fit this amount of baked beans. And there's usually a big fat piece in there that comes in the can. I don't use that. I take that out, but you're more than welcome to, just so you know these have pork in them. And then to this, I'll add the smokies. Yikes, lost a couple. Yeah, I think your family will like this. We got a lot of holidays coming up. It's getting warm here in the United States, especially in Michigan. Bell pepper. It's not a whole lot. Like I said, you don't want them to be pronounced, but it does add a certain type of flavor that you will notice that's different about those baked beans. It's a half a cup packed brown sugar, and I've got about 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. Now, don't kill me. This is where I guesstimate. I add ketchup, and I just give it a really good squeeze, like so, and mustard. Believe it or not, you need the mustard. It does add a certain flavor to it. Then mix this all together. My oven is preset at 375 degrees. These will cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. I normally, 90% of the time, top our baked beans with bacon. But since I had these little smokies and I didn't want to waste them, I decided to do the little smoky thing. And I can't say this is a beef recipe because you just saw that big piece of pork I pulled out of the Bush's baked beans. So if you can't do pork, get some beef little smokies and make sure you read, or you make sure your baked beans aren't made with pork. So here's my pan. So I'm going to go ahead and just the perfect size for that one can. It's just us. If you have a family, you're going to a cookout, you're going to need 2 or 3 cans. But remember, just enough bell pepper, not a whole lot. Just, you know, if you're making a big pan, I'd say no more than 1/4 of a cup. It's not supposed to be pronounced, but it does give it a little je ne sais quoi, as people say, a little something, something that they won't notice that's different about your baked beans. So into the oven 375 for 45 minutes. 1 hour in the oven at 375 degrees. You have a delicious side dish for your next potluck or party. There they are, little smoky. So I'm glad I didn't cook them ahead of time, because you see some of them that rose to the top browned a little bit and they may have been too dark. But yeah, if you look for something different to take to a potluck or a cookout or just serve to your family, this is the way to go. I use bushes, and the trick is a little bit of green pepper. My husband, who won't eat anything green, as you see, you can't see them, but they give a different flavor and make them super delicious. So I want to thank you guys for watching, get everything set up, and tell you guys my joke. A lady walks into a grocery store and says to the worker, "Pardon me, I can't seem to find the broccoli." "I'm sorry," the man replies, "but we've run out. We won't be getting any until tomorrow." Then he goes off to stack some oranges, and the lady comes up behind him, says, "I'm sorry, but I really can't find the broccoli." "Ma'am, that's because we've run out." The lady walks off and shortly afterwards comes back again. "I'm sorry, can you please help me find the broccoli?" The man composed himself and says to the lady, "Do you know how to spell cat, as in catastrophe?" The lady looks at him puzzled and says, "C-A-T. Very good. Do you know how to spell dog, as in dogmatic?" The lady goes, D-O-G. "Right," says the man. "Do you know how to spell F, as in broccoli?" The lady gives him a funny look and after a few seconds goes, "There's no F in broccoli. That's what I've been trying to tell you," replies the man. I thought that was kind of funny. One way to, try and rearrange it and get at it so she could understand it. But you guys should really enjoy this recipe. Give it a try. If you do, let me know, especially if you like little smokies. I like to make a lot of recipes with little smokies. And on my channel, I've wrapped them in bacon. I've done them several ways as appetizers, in puff pastry, as little pigs in the blanket. But I think your guests will be pleasantly surprised. And like I said, if you want to keep it all beef, make sure your smokies are beef, and make sure your beans that you use don't have any pork in them. I want to thank you guys for watching. As I stated, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, share. I like the comments. I always comment and respond to every comment that I get, because I appreciate the time you guys take out of your day to watch my videos. I do this as a hobby. You guys that know me know I work full-time as a nurse. So I really do not like to cook. It's basically for the people who don't like to cook, don't want to cook, don't have time to cook. So just trying to show you guys some quick, fast, easy recipes. But thanks for watching. Have a good evening. God bless, and I hope to see you on the next one.